Hi everybody, Patrick here from EscapeRoomElectronics.com and EngineeringShot.com. What I'm going to do is, this is a fun video. I made it for fun. I had a customer ask to make something a little similar to this, but I put my own spin on it, and so what it does is I've got a transmitter, a receiver, and a linear actuator with a 11.5 inch plunger. So I'll power on. And the LCD prompts me to enter in a combination. I'll show you the LCD in a minute. I'll actually bring this into another room because this is wireless. So I have a 42-digit keypad here, and so I enter in the incorrect. If I enter in an incorrect combination, all the combinations are 8-digit. You can program in your own to save it into EEPROM memory. But in this case, the combination is ABGHIJKL. So I'll enter in an incorrect combination just for the sake of it. And it says incorrect combination, and then it reverts back to enter combination. So I'll enter in the correct combination.
Authorization granted. Greetings, Mr. Mitchell. Security compartment opening.
And so you can see the compartment that this linear actuator is mounted to will open. And the LCD remains saying enter combination. I'm going to turn the audio up because there's only 2 audio bytes. That was the first. Hopefully you heard it okay. I'll turn the audio up. So once the plunger is all the way up, extended to 11.5 inches, then the LCD will change from saying correct combination to then the screen will simply turn off. There will be nothing on the LCD screen, and I can press any button. Nothing will happen until I press enter.
Security compartment closing. Have a good day, Mr. Mitchell.
And as you can see, the plunger is slowly closing. The LCD says closing actuator. So once the actuator is completely closed, the software will reset and it will say enter combination. So that's all well and good. I've got these side by side. What's the range on these things? It depends. I'm using NRF 24 LF01 plus units, and they can be good. They're better for outdoor use, but they can be good for indoor use. I can have this upstairs if I want. If I have an extension with power amplifier, one of those sets, again now it says enter combination. If I have a I have one of those upstairs with the antenna, then I can have it anywhere within the house, no problem. I can have it outside, I can have it down the road because the antennas are so crazy. These have the onboard antennas. So let me just show you one more time. I'll just let you hear the first audio byte again. Then what I'll do is I'll move this set outside and I'll control it from in here. So ABGHIJKL.
Authorization granted. Greetings, Mr. Mitchell. Security compartment opening.
Okay, now without further ado, how about I take the receiver with the linear actuator and plug it in the other room. I've got the receiver and the linear actuator at the other end of the basement. I'm not sure if you can see the LCD, probably not, so I'll zoom in on it. Not a great view from the camera, but in any case, I'll enter an incorrect combination. YZ. Incorrect combo. And it'll say enter combo. So I'll enter in the correct code, which is ABGHIJKL.
Authorization granted. Greetings, Mr. Mitchell. Security compartment opening.
And I can actually hear it in the other room opening on the other at the other end of the basement. I can hear it, not very well, but I can hear it. So what I'll do is I'll skip ahead. Okay, so it's closed and the LCD goes blank. I can press any button, nothing happens until I press enter.
Security compartment closing. Have a good day, Mr. Mitchell.
Closing actuator. So now let's actually go and look at the receiver across the basement. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to activate this. As you can see, this is the other side of the basement where my children play. So if you hear any kids in the background, don't worry about them. I'll be right back.
Authorization granted. Greetings, Mr. Mitchell. Security compartment opening.
And there you have it. So, works like a charm. Really quite nice. I think I'm going to get some different linear actuators, and I'm going to get some different power supplies so I can make a faster opening of a compartment. Again, this could be used in a man cave to reveal something treasured. Again, a customer of mine, or a potential customer of mine, will be using something not like this exactly, but something similar in a wine cellar, potentially. And and I got inspired, and I thought I'd make a fun wireless one. So thank you for watching. I really just made this for fun. If you're looking to pimp out your man cave or wine cellar or anything else, feel free to contact me, because even though all of these boards are Frankenstein, I've taken a whole bunch of circuit boards that serve different purposes. They're not even being used to their full capacity, but they have all got different purposes, and I've Frankenstein them together. I've programmed each of the microcontrollers to communicate with one another, and I'm just able to do this, and I love doing it. So I appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoyed yourself too. Thanks for watching, everyone.